First startup, y'all. Got a little bass back there. What up, Lundale gang? This your boy, Distinct Lundale, coming back with another video. Today we're going to get somebody. Y'all know what it means. We're going to get the Malibu from out the shop. Finally, y'all. Man, I'm so happy, man. I couldn't even sleep last night. He told me yesterday about 6 something. I couldn't even wait to get home from work to prepare myself to make sure I got all the stuff, you know, for the trailer and, you know, straps and all that stuff. But yeah. The only thing that I didn't get done is the brake system. I'm picky when it comes to this car mess, y'all. I don't know if I want Wheelwood brakes, Bear brakes, Brembo brakes. I don't know, but that's something I got to think about. But you know, I'm going to get it together. I'm asking y'all to bear with me. Y'all finna see this thing go up. I'm out. What up, Lundale gang? Golly, it's windy out here. I want y'all to see this. 1 second, y'all. Man, old Nova. I don't know what this is. It might be a 60 something. But it too bad. Nova SS. It's a little old thing. Clean on the inside. Nice. Okay, there we go. 1964. Nova SS. Man. Like that. What you go with, buddy? MSD. Yep. MSD distributor. Got the Brodix heads down there. Alright. Yep. Coming to get my baby, y'all. So y'all, I'll be right back. I'm out. Alright, y'all, just got inside. Give y'all some more goodies. Everybody in here. I like that roll cage. Got the Wheelwoods in there. What's going on, man? All right. Got the Moser axles on this baby. All right. Let's go see what we got here. First startup, y'all. Got a little bass back there. Got something to show y'all right quick. Look at this. You said a Bronco, right? Yeah. Got the Wheelwoods in there. Big old tires here, boy. Got the rally
I'll be out
fan
there
on there.
as soon as we get this car home, and I'll be on my way.
Golly.
Right.
Powered by Ford. Yeah, like I said, y'all, they do it all.
Okay.
Golly, man, look at them freaking springs.
Yeah, I need to grab those.
Nice.
Alright?
Alright.
Okay. Love you.
I don't know what this is, something beautiful. But yeah, time to load on up, y'all. Get right back. All this getting replaced. Bezel, grill. It's ugly. Headlights, all that getting changed. But like as you can see, no brake booster. I might end up going with probably Willwood. I don't know, man. I'm very picky on this car. Very picky. Dual fans all wired up. Everything is ready. I had to start it up earlier. I'm gonna let y'all hear it for y'allself. Oh yeah, I went with the billet lug nuts. Gotta be careful on these, boy. You strip them, they aluminum. Your ass is grass. I forgot how much I paid for them things, but they weren't cheap. I know that. And don't talk about me, y'all. I got the old gauges in here. Hey, something better than nothing. Oh yeah, and I went with electric fuel pump. So, just so y'all can know. Right on beat. Timing is on point. No. Yep, so that is her. Like I say, go ahead and get the brakes done up so I can hit these streets this summer. But she'll be on her way. Trust me. I don't know, y'all give me y'all suggestions on these brakes in the comment section. Like I say, between Bear, Willwood, TBM brakes was pretty different. They costly, but ain't no need for no racing brakes. That's all they are. TBM brakes is like straight race boys brakes. Shout out to CJ on 32s. 10 board again, dealing with the frame notching and brakes and frame bracing and all that. Y'all get up with Mr. 75 Caprice on them old schools. He selling them, buying them, whatever y'all need, he can get. Son of Reese, he out there in Miami, enjoying life. CJ and them. Man, y'all subscribe to their channels. Good dudes, man. And the paint shop gonna be coming pretty soon. PC Customizer, I'm coming for you in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I like your work, buddy. And I'm actually out to give that brother KG Go Hard. He done won that 99, I want to say it's Yukon, in a raffle from Mr. 75 Caprice. Man, that truck is nice. So he started his YouTube channel. He's gaining subscribers. He's on the grind. So I'm asking y'all to go subscribe to his channel. What's up, Lundown gang? Coming back with the end of this video. I'm asking y'all to get in that comment section and let me know what y'all think. Bear, Willwood, Brembo sound kind of good, but I want to see what y'all got to say. And I'm going to go from there. Y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel. You know I'm going to keep these videos coming. And guess I'll see y'all later. I'm out.